Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this DeLonghi Magnifica machine, but first we'll start with a joke. What do you call two monkeys that share an Amazon Prime account? Primates. Okay, dumb joke. Okay, let's get on to the repair. We replaced a fitting off of the boiler that was leaking, and now let's go ahead and make a shot of espresso. Show that the machine's working. See, it pours a good shot of espresso. I'm going to stop it there since it's going to overfill the cup. We'll let it cycle through before we test the steam function. Nice strong steam. And just so you know, you can just run the descaling cycle with some descaler by pressing and holding this button, and that will clear the light. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.